Hey G-Squad, welcome back to Solo. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool update right here, and basically what this is the motion sensor light. And you see right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. And for this product when you guys get it, it basically comes with a pack of 3 of them, and they do give you guys a charging station and they give you guys remote control as well. So when you guys turn to the back part here, they do provide guys some of the specs and features on here. And they also provide guys some more specs and features on the side right here as well. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the inside looks like. So right here we do have the charging station. So there's basically enough slot for you guys to put all the product inside and for the remote as well. And then for the slot right here, you see we do have the output where to plug in the cable to charge it. And the bottom part here, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving when you guys do use it. And right underneath that, we do have everything else. So take everything out first. So right here, we do have the cable, which is USB to USB-C. So definitely use that to activate the product. Right here, you see we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here, you see we do have the remote control. So let's do take it out. Here is basically what the remote looks like. So you basically have the option to turn it on or turn it off. Change the different brightness level on here. You do have the option to make it brighter, turn on sleep mode, and there's also a timer option as well. And then obviously, if it's your first time using the product, you do want to peel this part out before you start using it. And then right underneath that, you see we do have 3 of the light bar option. And all 3 of these are the same. So I'm going to show you guys what one of them looks like. So basically for the front part right here, we do have the LED light. Middle part right here, we do have the motion sensor option. On the side right here, we do have the option for you to plug in a cable to recharge it. Or you can plug it inside right here to recharge as well. Right here on this side, you see we do have a button for you to push to activate the product. Right here on this side, you see we do provide us information to show you guys what each different color represent when you guys do use it. And right here is basically what the back part looks like. So they basically give you guys a magnetic option for you to stick it on the refrigerator if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to take this part out, you do have the option available as well. So just like that, very easy and very simple. And basically for this part right here, you do have the option to peel it. So that way you can stick it onto the wall if you guys do want to. But basically for the product, when you guys do use it, there's 3 different modes available. There's a night mode, a day mode, and an always on mode. And you do have the option to change it right here. Or you probably do have the option right here as well. But that is basically everything that's included in the product. Before you test this out, let me show you guys how to charge it first. So first thing I want to do is to put it inside for each one of them. And the cool thing about this is the fact that it does not matter which side you do put it on. As long as the magnetic option at the bottom is sticking onto the bottom part of this product, then you should be fine. And then right here in the front, and also for the back part as well, you do have the option to put a remote control right there. But now let's plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here it does light up. And when you guys look at each one light bar, it does light up as well. So you can see right here it does turn red. But you see that one is charging, that one is charging, and that one as well. So really cool how it does give you guys the option to charge all 3 of them at the same time if you guys want to. Or you do have the option to charge one at a time as well. So once it's fully charged, you can see this is basically what the product looks like. So it does light up blue. But now let's take out one of them to test it out to show you guys how it works. So the way how you guys turn it on, you basically want to long press the button. And that is basically the first mode right here. And each time when you guys do press the button, if you guys look underneath like the motion sensor option, it does have a light that turns on to let you guys know which mode you guys are using. So when you guys do see the blue light that turns on, that is night mode. If you guys see the red and yellow light, that is day mode. If you guys see a red and blue light that turns on, that is always on mode. And like I mentioned, when you guys are done using it, you basically want to press the button on top. And that basically turns it off. And you can see for the size of the product is not that big. It's like a perfect size for you guys to put it in your refrigerator, in your closet, or anywhere else. And when you guys do feel the weight of the product is not that heavy as well, which is pretty nice. And if you guys want to use the remote control, you do have the option available. So let's do peel the bottom part. If you guys test it out, that turns it on. That turns it off. If you guys turn it back on. If you guys want to change the different brightness level on here, you do have the option available. So if you guys decrease it, that basically brings it down. If you guys increase it, that brings it up. If you guys go 50%, here is 50%. Right here we do have the night mode. Here we have day mode. And then right here we do have the always on mode. And if you guys notice the motion sensor on here is pretty sensitive. So when you guys do use it, it'll work really well. And in terms of the battery life when you guys do use it, if you guys do use a 2 sensor mode option, you have to use it for around 1 month before you need to recharge again. But if you guys do use the always on mode, you have to use it for a max of 6 hours. And then obviously once you're done, you have to turn it off. And then put it back in the charging station. So that way you can start charging again. Alright, so right here we do have the product. If you guys want to stick this onto your refrigerator, you basically want to take out the back part and stick it on like that. And see how when you guys do stick it on, the magnet on here is actually really strong. So if you guys do want to turn it on, that is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys want to change a different mode, you guys want to press the button. And that is basically what the product looks like. So let's keep the light on. If I walk away, let's try to turn it back on in a second. If you see how the light turns off, if I do walk by, it turns on. So the motion sensor on here definitely does work. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality motion sensor light, where it does give you guys the option to recharge it instead of using a battery option, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.